Python check if all n numbers are present in a list. I want to check if my list contains all the numbers from 0 to the maximum number of the list. For x, this list contains all the numbers from 0 to 7. But this list doesn't, as it doesn't have 4. I try using zip. But this doesn't work. For example, doesn't have 1 and 4, so it should return false. Whereas has all the numbers from 0 to 5, so it should return true.
There is no need to use zip with multiple zip function. You can use sorted. Example.
Slow and dirty solution.
As always, sets are my favorite here. Original list. Another compare list.
You may try test set.
If it's a workshop, please consider looking into it.